Hello everybody and welcome to my 5th day here in Wales. Today we are starting our trips in Brecons. Today as you can see behind me there is the bridge, a very beautiful bridge, and some really there is a river going through. I cannot speak. I will go up and show you the sign of this place, what it's called, because I'm not going to try to say it because I probably butchered the name. So it is called, here we are, Pont Melin. I don't know, man. I will switch the camera so you can see it. Pont Melin Fash, I don't know. I just don't know. So that's that. That is the bridge I showed you before. This is where the road continues. This is the parking where we're staying. We are going to do a walk which takes us by 4 waterfalls, which is called like this. Yeah, so we'll start walking. We just arrived next to the first waterfall, as you can see. Let me take you next to it. There you go, that's the first waterfall. We can go right here and you can see the water is not that deep, but it's still quite deep, as you can see. And the surrounding area, it's pretty nice. Now we're at the second waterfall. And up there is a tiny part, and then it comes down here. We are now at the third waterfall. As you can see right there. It goes through there. You cannot really see because it's quite dark. And it goes through here. There are a lot of people here bathing. You can see there's a tiny waterfall right there. As you can see. And then keep on going, and there is the last bit of the tiny waterfall right there. Yes, very nice. For me, probably this is the nicest one till now, because there's the last one. We're now at the 4th and final waterfall of the 4 that were on the leaflet, but I think it's supposed to go from all, not just one stream. But that's because they are experiencing heavy droughts right now in England and Wales, in the UK I mean. I know that there's in the UK there's Scotland and Northern Ireland as a whole in the UK. Okay, don't get mad in the comments. It's pretty nice. You can go behind it. I probably won't because I don't want to get wet. Yeah. Well done! You have made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And to subscribe, click right here. To check out the last video from the vlog, click right here. And this video right here is a video that YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Bye-bye!